Hi, I'm Brian Bach. I'm one of the owners of Bach SteamStar. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 30 years experience in cleaning hard surfaces like wood floors, which is the point of the video today. A lot of people ask me, we got their floors, we just had you guys out. Floors look great, you got a deep cleaning on them. Now what? I want to do a good job. What do I use on my wood floors? One of my most popular questions, what do I maintain my wood floors with? I've heard things they're using just the Swiffers. I'm using steamers. I'm using just plain water because I don't want to put any chemicals on it. Okay, well, we need a product to cut through the oils and soils and get them held in suspension. The question is it made for wood floors? Okay, when we're cleaning wood floors, we want to just stay pH neutral. Okay, so we don't want acidity. Okay, vinegar and water is one of those that I hear a lot that's being used. Or we don't want some high alkaline cleaner like Windex or Kaboom or any of the other high alkaline cleaners that are out there. Anytime we get outside of neutrality, we're always affecting finish. So we want to stay right pH 7. Okay, so what I have here is a product that we've used for probably over 20 years. We know the manufacturers. I know the people who formulated. I know what's not in there. And this is very good, effective, concentrated products, probably more concentrated than what you're using, therefore probably less expensive if you don't mind mixing. So WoodFresh is a neutral floor cleaner. Okay, so it has some surfactants in there that are built for wood floors. And really, it's really pretty easy. You just spray it on, mop it off, and you're done. But it won't leave any sticky residue behind, and it cleans the floors very well, and it is pH neutral, which is, if I haven't said that enough, pH neutral is important. Okay, so this is probably not something you're going to find in a store. We can get this for you, and it's highly concentrated. So this 1 gallon will make you 5 gallons of ready-to-use product. So if you do the math, it's probably cheaper than what you're buying. A lot of those are ready-use products. They're shipping water. Okay, yes, it's convenient, but you're paying for it. Okay, so we can get you a bottle of WoodFresh. Highly recommend this product. Hope that helps. Let us know if we can get you a jug.